Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this for my love, haha, because it's a QR code smart tag for doggies. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. I don't know if I can show you the QR code, but I'll just put my finger over it. But you can kind of see what it is it's a little keychain for your dog, and you have different choices of pictures and stuff. And so I chose this one here, and I set up the QR code, and then you kind of put it just on the dog's collar to do it. And you set up the QR code, and I'll give you guys a screenshot of what it looks like. But you have the the different tag, and so you set it up, and once you scan it the first time, it brings you to a website, and that website will, I'll show you guys here, the website kind of just have you set it up so you can put your phone number and email address and all that stuff in there. And then if somebody finds your dog and they scan the QR code, so the next time they go into it, it'll bring up the website with the dog's information and your phone number and stuff like that, so they can contact you easy. So it's kind of cool. So you got just this little thing here. I'm gonna leave it in here for, well, I can probably take it out. Looks like it opens up here, so you get an idea of what it looks like. It looks like this there. So that's kind of how it works. I don't know if it does the NFC tapping or anything like that, but it comes with this and the little keychain here. So it just says scan to find my family and for my love ID pet tag. And very cool. So it's nice and little light little tag. So we can hook onto the dog collar or use this little clip to hook it on. Either way, very easy, kind of like a carabiner style, you see, like that. So super easy, super nice, very cool. Thumbs up.